In today's video, I'll show you guys how to combine multiple audio files into one. Here are the audio files. Two files, I need to make them one. Open up Chrome and search merge audio. Select the first site, select choose files option and select the audio files and select open. And you can now able to add more audio files. Select the add more audio files. You can able to add even more. And then we have successfully added two of this. Now select export option. The audio file merge has done. Select download. That's how you can merge two audio files or more files into one. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.